Good morning children, I am Prakash, Government High School Gularve. I welcome you all for this question paper session.
Hello, this is Srishaila PK, Assistant Teacher, Government High School, Honasigire, Tumkur Taluk. Once again, I welcome you to the session.
Dear children, this question paper consists 38 questions, okay? Out of that, first 4 questions will be on multiple choice and next 12 questions will be on 1 mark question, okay? Question number 1 to 16 carries 1 mark. After that, 8 2 marks questions will be there. After 2 marks question, 3 marks questions will be there, and along with 3 marks question, extract will be there, and 4 marks question, and then 5 marks question. Okay, so altogether 38 questions will be in this question paper.
And the time is 3 hours, total marks is 80.
Okay, first question, multiple choice question. Okay, so the first question will be on question tag. Okay, in question tag, if the statement is in positive, the tag will be in negative. Okay, if the statement is negative, the tag will be positive. Okay, so here rockets carry satellite and people into space. So here the statement is positive. So how to find out the negative? If the negative sense word like not, never, seldom is there, it can be considered negative. Okay, so now the statement is positive. Here no auxiliary verb is there. If the auxiliary verb is there, we can straight away take the auxiliary verb and analyze it and we can give the answer. So here the main verb is carry. Since the main verb in present tense, we should use do. Okay, so we want to make it negative means we have to add not. Okay, so the answer will be don't they. Okay, fine. Next question.
This question is about language function. Archana and Deepa are talking. Archana, good morning Deepa. Deepa, very good morning. What can I do for you? Archana, if you don't mind, could I use your pen? And the options are giving direction, offering help, seeking permission, expressing agreement. Here the underlined sentence suggests that it is seeking permission.
Answer will be?
Answer is seeking permission.
Okay, next question. Fill in the blank choosing the appropriate if clause. Okay, if clause means so that third condition. So it is not possible to fulfill. Okay, so here Anand, Akash, I am going to picnic tomorrow. Will you come? Thank you for inviting me. If you had told me earlier, I dash joined you. ಅವ್ರು ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ ನೀನೇನೋ ನನ್ನ ಕರೆದಿದ್ರೆ ನಾನು ಏನು ಮಾಡಿರ್ತೆ ಜಾಯಿನ್ ಆಗಿರ್ತಿದ್ದೆ. ಸೊ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ highly impracticable. Okay, so the answer will be would have. Okay, I would have joined you. Okay, next question.
Question 4. Read the given conversation and choose the passive form of the underlined sentence. Tanushri, hello Panchami, where did you go yesterday? Panchami, I went shopping. Tanushri, did you buy anything? Panchami, yes, I have bought some books. Here the question is, I have bought some books. Students have to write the passive form for this sentence. The answer is, some books have been bought by me.
Next question will be, do as directed. Again here 12 1 mark questions will be there. So first question will be on collocative words. Okay, so it will be given in 2 parts, A and B. Okay, in column A root word will be given. Okay, first in column B 4 words are given: table, food, water, breakfast. So here first is collocating with fast food. Okay, so now I will give some additional collocative word.
Wheelchair, police constable, twinkling stars, charming girl, earthquake, speedy recovery. Question 6. Which one of the following words has 2 syllables? Committee, capacity, combine, call. Here the word combine has 2 syllables. Here many other examples for 2 syllabic words. Again, vanish, accept, English.
Now some examples for 1 syllable words: break, steal, wrong, glow.
3 syllabic words are there. Here are some examples: determine, continent, primary, direction.
Okay, 7th question. The question is on, you have to write the correct form of the word. Okay, in the bracket. The question is, the art of dash within bracket educate is to educate the heart. Okay, ಇಲ್ಲಿ educate ಅಂತ ಒಂದು ವರ್ಬ್ ಇದೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಅದನ್ನು ನೀವು ಏನು ಬರೀಬೋದು? ಎಜುಕೇಟಿಂಗ್ ಅಂತ ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೂ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು ಅಥವಾ ಎಜುಕೇಷನ್ ಅಂತ ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೂ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. ಓಕೆ, ದ ಆರ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಎಜುಕೇಷನ್ ಈಸ್ ಟು ಎಜುಕೇಟ್ ದ ಹಾರ್ಟ್ ಅಂತ ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೂ ಬರೀಬೋದು. ಸೊ ದ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ The art of educating or education is to educate the heart.
Question 8. Fill in the blank using the correct article. Sham is learning to play dash sitar. Here sitar is a musical instrument, that is why we are using definite article, that is the. Sham is learning to play the sitar.
The other articles are a and an. They are indefinite article and these the definite article. Okay.
A and an are used before singular countable nouns.
So next question will be on the part of speech. Okay, identify the part of speech of the underlined word. Okay, here the statement is we should use eco-friendly things. ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಈಕೋ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಲಿ ಅನ್ನೋದು ಒಂದು ಅಂಡರ್ಲೈನ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. ನೀವು ಎಲ್ವೈ ಅಂದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ನೀವೇನು ಅಂದ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಬಿಡ್ತೀರಾ, ಅಡ್ವರ್ಬ್ ಅಂದ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಬಿಡ್ತೀರಾ ಅಲ್ವಾ. ಓಕೆ, ಇದು ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಅನ್ ಅಡ್ವರ್ಬ್, ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಅಡ್ಜೆಕ್ಟಿವ್ ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಕ್ವಾಲಿಫೈಯಿಂಗ್ ದ ಥಿಂಗ್ಸ್. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ದಟ್ಸ್ ವೈ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಅನ್ ಅಡ್ಜೆಕ್ಟಿವ್. Okay.
Here question number 10, fill in the blank using suitable linker. Linker, the other word for conjunctions. Kuvempu was the poet dash wrote the Ramayana Darshanam. Here the answer is who. Kuvempu was the poet who wrote the Ramayana Darshanam.
Okay, next question will be fill in the blank with appropriate preposition. Okay, KRS dam has been constructed dash the river Kaveri. So now we have to look into some regular prepositions like into, on, above, across, between. Okay, above, like that. Okay, here the dam has been constructed across the river Kaveri. Okay, next question.
Fill in the blank with appropriate tense form of the verb given in the bracket. Inside the bracket the verb give is given. Encyclopedia dash us basic information on every subject. Here encyclopedia is a singular noun, verb should be in the singular form, that is verb plus yes. Encyclopedia gives us basic information on every subject.
The 13th question will be like this. Use the word smile as verb in a meaningful sentence. So the verb smile can be used as a noun and also as a verb. So for example, Anvita smiled at her friend Sunita. Joseph smiled with relief. Okay. Next question.
Change into superlative degree. You know children, this sentence given in the question paper is in the comparative degree. Goa is compared to other states in India. Goa is smaller than any other state in India. We have to make this sentence into superlative, that is Goa is the superlative form of smaller is the smallest. The answer is Goa is the smallest state in India.
Okay, so there are, as madam said, there are 3 degrees. One is positive, second is comparative and third one is superlative degree. Okay, Goa is the smallest state in India.
In
is
India.
The answer. Fine. Next question. So here the 15th question will be on frame a question to get underlined word as answer. Okay, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಇದೆ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳೇ. ಅನುಪಮ ಸಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ಮೆಲೋಡಿಯಸ್ಲಿ. ಓಕೆ, ದ ವರ್ಡ್ ಮೆಲೋಡಿಯಸ್ಲಿ ಇಸ್ ಅಂಡರ್ಲೈನ್. ಆ ಪದ ಉತ್ತರವಾಗಿ ಬರೋಂಗೆ ಕ್ವಶನ್ನ ಫ್ರೇಮ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಅನುಪಮ ತುಂಬ ಮಧುರವಾಗಿ ಆಡುತ್ತಾಳೆ ಅಂತ ಇದೆ ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ. ಸೊ ಅದನ್ನು ಹೇಗೆ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ? ಎಸ್, ಹೌ ಡಸ್ ಅನುಪಮ ಸಿಂಗ್, ಅಥವಾ ಈ ಥರ ಬೇಕು ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು, ಹೌ ಅನುಪಮ ಸಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಕೂಡ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು.
Question 16. Read the following conversation and change the underlined sentence into reported speech. John, here is a camera for you, Lakshmi. Lakshmi, when did you buy it, John? John showed Lakshmi a camera. She asked him. Here the first introductory part is given in the question paper itself. Students have to change this underlined sentence into reported speech, that is an interrogative sentence, that too direct interrogative. It begins with when. So students have to change this sentence into statement and remove the question mark. Question mark ಅನ್ನು ತೆಗಿಬೇಕು and also it should be made a statement. Statement ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ inversion of subject and verb ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ sentence is in the past tense, that is why we have to change it into past perfect, that is Lakshmi asked him or John when he had bought it.
So now here 16 questions, 1 more questions will be completed. Okay, third mind, following paragraph has 2 errors, edit the paragraph and rewrite in the answer booklet. Okay, so compulsorily you have to write the question number correctly in the answer booklet. Okay, so ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಮಗೆ ಒಂದು ಪ್ಯಾರಾಗ್ರಾಫ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಾರೆ. This paragraph has 2 error, 2 ಎರರ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. So one is spelling mistake to be corrected, second one is conjunction to be corrected ಅಂತ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಅದನ್ನು ಪ್ಯಾರಾಗ್ರಾಫನ್ನು ನೀವು ಓದ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಈಸಿಯಾಗಿ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಮಗೆ ಏನಾಗಿದೆ, ಈ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಬ್ಯಾಲೆನ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ, ಹೇಮಂತ್ ಮೂವ್ ಟು ದ ಎಡ್ಜ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಕಾಂಪೌಂಡ್ ಟು ಪ್ಲಕ್ ಫ್ಲವರ್ಸ್. ಈ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್, ಎಲ್ವಷ್ಟು ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಕಳ್ಕೊಂಡ ಅಂತ, ಎಲೆಯಷ್ಟು ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಏನೋ ಅದು ಕೊನೆ ಅಂತ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಇವು ಹೋಮೋಫೋನ್ಸ್ ಇರ್ತವೆ, ಅದನ್ನ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ನೀವು ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ವರ್ಡ್ ಏನಿದೆ, ಕಂಜಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಟು ಬಿ ಕರೆಕ್ಟೆಡ್. ಇಡೀ ಪ್ಯಾರಾಗ್ರಾಫನ್ನು ಓದಿದಾಗ ನಮಗೆ ಬರೋಂಥ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗೋಂಥದ್ದು ಒಂದೇ ಕಂಜಂಕ್ಷನು, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಬಟ್. ಇನ್ಸ್ಟೆಡ್ ಆಫ್ ಬಟ್ ನಾವೇನು ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಅಂಡನ್ನು ಹಾಕಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಡಿಯರ್ ಚಿಲ್ಡ್ರನ್, ನಾವು ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ರೈಟ್ ದ ಹೋಲ್ ಪ್ಯಾರಾಗ್ರಾಫ್, ಇಡೀ ಪ್ಯಾರಾಗ್ರಾಫನ್ನು ನೀವು ಬರೀಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್.
That is, it is the beginning of 2 marks questions. In the prose part, answer the following question in 2-3 sentences each. Each question carries 2 marks. Question number 18. Why did Baleshwar revisit the spot where Roma had fallen? Here the clue is Baleshwar. This is from second lesson. Roma's brother Dinesh had told him that her cell phone and handbag were missing. Baleshwar revisited the spot where Roma had fallen. With the help of a railway employee, he was able to recover some of her belongings. This is the answer.
Okay, next question. What makes you feel that Don Anselmo was a man of principles? ಓಕೆ ಡಿಯರ್ ಚಿಲ್ಡ್ರನ್, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ ನೀವು ಗಮನಿಸಬೇಕು, ನಾನು ಕೆಲವು ಪದಗಳನ್ನ ಏನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ, ಹೈಲೈಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಸೊ ದೋಸ್ ಆರ್ ದ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ಸ್, ಅದನ್ನು ನೀವು ಬರೀಲೇಬೇಕಾದಂಥದ್ದು. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಯಿತು, ದೇ ಅಂದರೆ ಅಮೆರಿಕನ್ಸ್ ಆಫರ್ ಡಬಲ್ ಅಮೌಂಟ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಈ ರಿಜೆಕ್ಟ್. ಡಿ ಅಂತಂದರೆ ಡಾನ್ ಆನ್ಸಲ್ಮೋ ರಿಜೆಕ್ಟೆಡ್ ದ ಆಫರ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಸ್ಟಕ್ ಟು ದ ವರ್ಡ್ಸ್ ವಾಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಡ್ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಕೋಟೆಡ್. ಇವನ್ನಿಷ್ಟು ಕೀ ವರ್ಡ್ಸನ್ನು ಬರೀಲೇಬೇಕು ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ. ಓಕೆ, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಗೆ ಹೋಗೋಣ.
This is from lesson 5. Why do you consider Anant a talented boy? And the answer is, Anant was a talented boy. He was the best table tennis player in the school and the fastest runner. He was learning to play the sitar and was already able to compose his own tunes.
Okay, next question, that is 21st one. Why were the technical experts summoned by the 3 superpowers? ಯಾಕೆ 3 ಅಂದರೆ ಇದು ನಿಮಗೆ ಸೈನ್ಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಒಪ್ ಸರ್ವೈವಲ್ ಅಂತ ಕೊನೆ ಬರ್ತಲ್ಲ, ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಬತಾಡಿರೋಂಥ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಇದು, ಯಾಕೆ ಅವ್ರನ್ನ ಕರೆದ್ರು ಅಂತ. ಓಕೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು ಬರೀಬೇಕಾಗಿರೋಂಥ ಏನು ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ಸ್ ಏನಂದರೆ, ಸೂಪರ್ ಪವರ್ಸ್ ವಾಂಟೆಡ್ ಟು ಕಮ್ ಟು ಎನ್ ಅಗ್ರಿಮೆಂಟ್, ಪುಟಿಂಗ್ ಎ ಬ್ಯಾನ್ ಆನ್ ದ ನ್ಯೂಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ವೆಪನ್ ಟೆಸ್ಟ್, ಅದೊಂದು ಕೀ ಪಾಯಿಂಟು. ಪಾರ್ಟಿಸಿಪೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಕುಡ್ ಸೀಕ್ರೆಟ್ಲಿ ಮೇಕ್ ಎನ್ ಅಂಡರ್ಗ್ರೌಂಡ್ ಟೆಸ್ಟ್ ನ್ಯೂಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೋಷನ್, ಅದು ಒಂದು ಪಾಯಿಂಟು. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಹೌ ದ ಅದರ್ ಪವರ್ ಕುಡ್ ಡಿಟೆಕ್ಟ್ ದಿಸ್ ವೈಲೇಷನ್ ಅಂತ. ಓಕೆ, ಎಸ್, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್.
That is question number 22. This is from poem 5. What qualities of jazz player do you appreciate? The jazz player is a poor and simple man. He is a pathetic figure, but a commanding jazz player. He had a power to make people listen to his jazz. He is silent in speech, but eloquent in music. This is the answer, and the value points are highlighted in pink color.
Question number 23. The student leader managed to protest to go peacefully. Why? This is from supplementary reader. Okay, so here dear children, so 4 unit of supplementary reader is there. Choice will be given between 1 and 2 and 3 and 4.
3 and 4.
Okay. First question, the student leader managed to protest to go peacefully. Why? Okay, so ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಆನ್ಸರ್ನ ನೀವು ಬರೀಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್.
This is from Dicky Dalma lesson. What hardships did Dicky Dalma face in her early life? And the answer is, Dicky Dalma lost her mother when she was just 11. She also lost her brother. Dalma's father was bedridden. She was not financially sound and she needed a lot of money for her father's treatment. So the family had very little to offer her.
Okay.
These are the hardships of Dicky Dalma.
24th question is like, Anif was a young man with a very talent and interest. Explain briefly. So answer ಈ ಥರ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. So the key points. Anif dabbled in art, sketched very well, made a beautiful cord out of waste materials, read a great deal and loved playing the drums, and also he made of his own band. That's how Anif was having talents. Next question.
This is from Bird of Happiness. How can you say that Wang Jia was a brave boy? Wang Jia was a brave boy because he bought the Bird of Happiness for the people of Tibet. He suffered hardships because of 3 monsters, but he was so brave to face the challenges posed by the 3 monsters successfully and brought happiness to his people.
Okay, next question. So this is question number 25. It's for 3 marks. Okay, so 2 questions will be given for 3 marks. First one, that is 25th. Dr. Ambedkar worked for upliftment of the depressed class. Explain. Okay, ನೋಡಿ ಹೇಗೆ ಅವರು ಅಂಬೇಡ್ಕರರು ಹಿಂದುಳಿದ ವರ್ಗಗಳ ಏಳಿಗೆಯಾಗಿ ತಮ್ಮನ್ನು ತಾವು ಸಮರ್ಪಿಸಿಕೊಂಡ್ರು, ವರ್ಕ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು ಅಂತ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಹಿಯರ್ ಡಿವೋಟೆಡ್ ಈಸ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಟ್ಯಾಲೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಫಾರ್ ದ ಬೆಟರ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಡಿಪ್ರೆಸ್ಡ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸಸ್ and he has started newspapers like Mook Nayak, Bahishkrit Bharat, Samata. So they were the authentic voices of the depressed classes. So institutions like Itakarani Sabha and Independent Labour Party of India was established by Ambedkar to upliftment of the poor or the depressed classes. Next question.
This is from Ballad of the Tempest. That is from poetry. The little maiden filled the sailors with confidence. Justify. The sailors had to face great danger. The storm was violent. The captain was in despair. The innocent words of the captain's daughter made them realize that God will save them. So they regained hope and worked with renewed energy to steer the ship to the calmer sea and to the harbor. Value points are like this, which are highlighted in pink color.
Question number 27. Okay, so this is an extract. You are in the second form and I don't like the way you are being brought up. Okay, so this is from a hero. So who does I refer to? I refer to Swami's father. Who was studying in the second form? Swami was studying in second form. When did the speaker say this? When Swami told his father that he would sleep in the office room from the first of the next month.
Next question is from the discovery. The first man to move shall spend the rest of the night in irons. Who said this? Columbus said this. What made the speaker say this? The seamen or sailors rushed in an angry mass towards Columbus, growling like infuriated animals. The question C is, what does in iron mean in this context? Iron means chained or imprisoned.
Okay. Next question, 29th one. If you want to get in life, you have to read a lot. You can learn a great deal of things just by reading. So this is taken from Colors of Silence. Okay. The first question, who is the speaker here? Avatar Narayan is the speaker. Who does you refers to? You refers to Satish Gujral. Question C is, how did the speaker encourage the reading? Yes, by supplying him an armful of books. By giving him an armful of books. Okay. So question number 30.
This is the last question in the extract part. There won't be any calendar, there won't be any clock, daylight will be on the switch and winter under lock. Who is the speaker? Here the poet Norman Nicholson is the speaker. Where does the speaker prepare to go? The speaker prepares to go to outer space. What does the expression winter under lock mean? There is no change of seasons in space.
7th main. Given below a profile, write a paragraph using clues given below. So this is for 3 marks question. Okay. So it's about a profile of Ganesh. So details has been given: age, birth of place, qualification, name.
Age 35 years,
Date of birth and place,
24th August, Haveri, MSc M.Ed,
qualification,
MSc M.Ed,
name of the spouse,
Vani,
daughter,
Ankita, studying in 5th standard,
profession,
assistant manager SBI Hanagal,
hobbies,
reading and trekking,
reason for popularity,
helps the poor and the needy.
Okay, so the profile is like this. So when you are writing a profile, so we have to include all the points and language should be very accurate and stick to the clues given points. Okay.
Here is a profile of Mr. Ganesh in the form of a paragraph. Mr. Ganesh is aged about 35 years. He was born on 24th August at Haveri. His qualification is MSc M.Ed. His spouse means wife, name is Vani. Mr. Ganesh's daughter Ankita is studying in 5th standard. He is an assistant manager in State Bank of India, Hanagal. His hobbies are reading and trekking. He is popular because he helps the poor and the needy regularly. This is a mini biography about Mr. Ganesh.
Dear students, don't miss to write this question. Okay, so easily you will get 3 marks. Okay, next question. Develop the story using the clues given below. ಮಕ್ಕಳ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತಂದರೆ ಒಂದು ಸ್ಟೋರಿಯನ್ನು ಸ್ಕೆಲಿಟನ್ನ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಾರೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಆ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರೋಂಥ ಸ್ಕೆಲಿಟನ್ ಬಳಸ್ಕೊಂಡು ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಡೆವಲಪ್ ದ ಸ್ಟೋರಿ. ಇದು ಕೂಡ ಕಂಪಲ್ಸರಿ ಕ್ವಶನ್.
This is a skeleton of a story or outline of a story. You have to develop this outline into a form of story. After writing the story, students have to give a suitable title to the story and include all the given hints. Language accuracy is very much important. Use past tense to write a story. And moral of the story in the end should be written.
Okay. Next question, that is 9th main. Study the picture given below. So you have to write a description by looking into the picture given. ಅಲ್ಲೊಂದು ಪಿಕ್ಚರ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಾರೆ ಮಕ್ಕಳ, ಈ ರೀತಿ ಪಿಕ್ಚರ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಆ ಪಿಕ್ಚರ್ನ ನೋಡಿಬಿಟ್ಟು ನೀವು ಒಂದು ಪ್ಯಾರಾಗ್ರಾಫನ್ನು ಬರೀಬೇಕು. This is also very easy. So this is called as pictorial reading ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು.
And sir, this is called as non-verbal reading. Students have to read the picture. Okay. And write a paragraph.
While writing the paragraph, you have to take good look at the picture. Okay, and then
allow the senses to experience the picture and at the same time allow words to form. ಚಿತ್ರವನ್ನು ನೋಡಿ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಬೇಕು, ಹಾಗೆ ಅದರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಕೆಲವು ವರ್ಡ್ಸನ್ನು ಅವರು ಇಮ್ಯಾಜಿನ್ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡು ಬರೀಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಯೂಸ್ ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಗ್ರಾಮ್ಯಾಟಿಕಲಿ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಮೀನಿಂಗ್ಫುಲ್ ಸೆಂಟೆನ್ಸಸ್, ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ವೆರಿ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್.
Okay, next, write a short description of the scene. Okay, next, details. You have to write the details. Who, what can you see? ನೀವು ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾರನ್ನು ನೋಡ್ತೀರಾ, ಏನನ್ನು ನೋಡ್ತೀರಾ ಅವನ್ನೇ ಬರಿತಾ ಹೋಗಬೇಕು. ಕಂಜಂಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಆ ಥರ ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಲ್ಯಾಂಗ್ವೇಜನ್ನು ಬಳಸ್ಕೊಂಡು ನೀವು ಬರಿತಾ ಹೋಗಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ.
ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ವೆಶನ್ ಈಸ್ 34 quote from memory question. This is of 4 marks and there is an internal choice between poem 2 and poem 7 students. Here the quality of mercy and the blind boy.
One more poem is that is for Ballad of the
Ballad of the Tempest.
So there
it
are
is
3
also
poems for
memorization.
That is
Yes,
Quality
sir.
of Mercy,
Ballad of
Blind
the
Boy
Tempest,
and Ballad of the
Tempest.
Fine.
Okay.
Okay. So next one. Read the following passage and answer the questions that follow. ಮಕ್ಕಳ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಮಗೆ ಒಂದು ಪ್ಯಾರಾಗ್ರಾಫ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಾರೆ, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಅನ್ಸೀನ್ ಪ್ಯಾಸೇಜು. ಸೊ ಅದ್ರ ಮೇಲೆ ನಿಮಗೆ 4 ಅಂಕದ ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆಗಳು ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಅಂದರೆ 2 marks, 2 questions ಕ್ಯಾರಿ ಈಚ್ 2 marks ಬರುತ್ತೆ. 2 ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆಗಳು 2 ಅಂಕದ ಇರ್ತವೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಆ ಇಡೀ ಪ್ಯಾರಾಗ್ರಾಫನ್ನು ಓದ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ನೀವು ಓದ್ಕೊಂಡು ನೀವೇನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಆನ್ಸರನ್ನು ಹುಡುಕಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಎ ವೆರಿ ಈಸಿ ಕ್ವೆಶನ್ ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಈಸ್ ಗಿವನ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಪ್ಯಾಸೇಜ್
ಕ್ವೆಶನ್ ಪೇಪರ್
ಇಟ್ ಸೆಲ್ಫ್. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಈ ಥರ ಎಲ್ಲ ಪ್ಯಾರಾಗ್ರಾಫನ್ನು ನೀವು ಪೂರ್ತಿ ಓದ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಓದ್ಕೊಂಡು ಏನು ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಾರೋ ಆ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ನೀವು ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು.
ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಗೋ ಫಾರ್ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ರೀಡಿಂಗ್, ಥರ್ಡ್ ರೀಡಿಂಗ್. And this tests your comprehension and also critical evaluation.
Even after reading twice or thrice, if you don't understand, you just go to the question ಹೋಗಿ ನೋಡಿ, ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕೀವರ್ಡ್ಸ್ ಬರ್ತವೆ ಕೆಲವು, ಏನನ್ನು ಬೇಕು ಉತ್ತರ ನಿರೀಕ್ಷೆ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ. You pick out that keywords and look in the paragraph. ಆ ಪರ್ಟಿಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ವರ್ಡ್ಸ್ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹುಡುಕಿ, so definitely you will get the answer. Okay, so next question. What do people think about themselves and others in every country? Okay, so here think about themselves and other in every country is the keywords. So taking that words and you can look the answer in the paragraph. Okay, so that is for
and matching the words
okay
between paragraph and questions.
Fine,
is important.
Okay, okay, next question will be,
that is a long answer question of 4 marks. Answer the following question in about 8 to 10 sentences. Students, there are 3 questions given, internal choice is given. Sum up the conversation between the poet and the mother India in your own words. Another internal choice question is also given, that is
write a summary of the poem I Am the Land. Dear children, here chances of getting 3 marks questions can be expected from summary, Grandma Climb City,
I Am the Land, George poem 2,
and the
Song of India.
Okay. Yes. Next question. Both the narrator and his father were very considerate toward the grandma. Justify. So this question is from
Grandma Climbs a Tree.
So here also value points are there. So you have to write grandma is very, even though she is 62, she is having a habit of climbing the tree, eye or spread. Okay, so some points are there, that point should be written directly.
Which are value points.
Keep in mind, you should not write it in bullet points, so that answer should be always in
paragraph type.
Okay, okay, next question.
This is question number 37. Write an essay on any one of the following. It is a composition question, dear students. Here 3 questions are given, choices are there: cleanliness and hygiene, save forest, save life, water pollution. Always go for an easy topic.
While writing an essay, first you have to write the introduction. After introduction, you have to write the body of the essay, and then compulsorily should be written a conclusion. Okay, and keep in mind, dear student, includes all the points. Okay, so the ಏನು ಟಾಪಿಕ್ ಹೇಳಿರ್ತಾರೋ ಆ ಟಾಪಿಕ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ವಿಷಯಗಳನ್ನ ನೀವು ಸೇರಿಸಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ, and language accuracy is very important.
And some topics for essay, here very important topics are given: Clean India movement,
natural calamities,
pollution,
mass media,
mobile phones,
national integration,
uses of forests,
importance of sports,
ban on plastics,
global warming or climate change. So these are an important topics which we can expect a question in annual examination. You should write it. So if you write it correctly, you will get 4 marks.
4 marks. This is the last question on letter writing. It is for 5 marks. Write a letter using the information given below. Here internal choice is also given between official letter and personal letter. One is official letter and another one is personal letter. Students can go for any one, either personal or official letter. Imagine you are Kiran or Kirtana studying in Government High School, Koppala. Write a letter to your friend describing Republic Day celebrations in your school or write a letter to the commissioner, city municipal corporation, complaining about drainage problems in your locality.
Okay children, now first we shall look into the official letter. Okay, so what is the format? ಹೇಗಿರುತ್ತೆ official letter ಅಂತಂದರೆ ಫಾರ್ಮೆಟ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಫಾರ್ಮೆಟ್ಗೆ ಯು ವಿಲ್ ಗೆಟ್ 2 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್. ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳು ನೀವು ಫಾರ್ಮೆಟನ್ನು ಫ್ರಮ್ ಅಡ್ರೆಸ್ಸು, ಟು ಅಡ್ರೆಸ್ಸು, ಲೀವ್ ಟೇಕಿಂಗು, ಏನು ಡೇಟು ಎಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲಿ ಏನೇನು ಬರೀಬೇಕು ಅವನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ನೀವು ಬರೆದ್ರೆ ಯು ವಿಲ್ ಗೆಟ್ ದ 2 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಅಂಡ್ ಅನದರ್ 3 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಫಾರ್ ಮ್ಯಾಟರ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಲ್ಯಾಂಗ್ವೇಜ್ accuracy.
Yes, in the beginning, students have to write the from address. That is Kiran or Kirtana, Government High School, Koppala, which is given in the question paper itself. Imaginary address is for both the personal and official letter. Don't forget this. Kiran or Kirtana, Government High School, Koppala, this is an address. The student who is writing a letter. Then skip one line and then go for date. That is, date should be written in the full form. 15th May 2021. Whenever you are writing, date should be exactly written. Skip one line and then write to address. That is, this is a format of official letter. That is why the to address is the Commissioner, City Municipal Corporation, Koppala. Salutation and
Okay,
subject. Dear sir, that is the salutation for official letter. Then subject is given. You have to write the subject, complaining about the drainage problems in your locality. And body of the letter, it should be paragraphed. Like introductory part, in the official letter, no exchanging of wishes, it should be impersonal. It is an official letter. It's an official letter. That is why body of the letter is very important, and concluding part, then thanking you, yours faithfully is the leave taking, and then put your signature.
Okay, as madam said, now I will give you information about how to write the personal letter. Okay, as madam said, a common address is given, that is an imagination address. You have to compulsorily write the same address. You need not to write your personal address. ನಿಮ್ಮ ಸ್ವಂತ ಹೆಸರಾಗಲಿ ಅಥವಾ ವಿಳಾಸವನ್ನಾಗಲಿ ನೀವು ಬರಿಬಾರ್ದು ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ. ಓಕೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೀತೀರಾ, ಗಂಡು ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಕಿರಣ್ ಅಂತ ಬರೀತೀರಾ, ಹೆಣ್ಮಕ್ಳು ಕೀರ್ತನ ಅಂತ ಬರೀತೀರಾ, ಗೌರ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಹೈಸ್ಕೂಲ್ ಕೊಪ್ಪಳ ಅಂತ ಬರೀತೀರಾ. ಆಫ್ಟರ್ ರೈಟಿಂಗ್ ದ ಫ್ರಮ್ ಅಡ್ರೆಸ್ ನೀವೇನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಡೇಟ್ ಹಾಕಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟೆಡ್ ಅಂತ ಹಾಕಿದ್ದೀನಿ ನಾನು, 15th May 2021 ಡೇಟ್ ಬರೀಬೇಕು. ಆಫ್ಟರ್ ದಟ್ ಸಾಲ್ಯುಟೇಷನ್ ಬರೀತೀರಾ, ಏನಂತ, ಡಿಯರ್ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಬಾಡಿ ಆಫ್ ದ ಲೆಟರ್ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ಈಗ ನಾವು ಟಾಪಿಕ್ ಏನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿತ್ತು ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ, ಟಾಪಿಕ್ ನೋಡೋಣ. ಟಾಪಿಕ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದು ಏನಂತಂದರೆ
Republic Day celebration.
ಓಕೆ, ಏನಂತ, ರೈಟ್ ಎ ಲೆಟರ್ ಟು ಯುವರ್ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ ಡಿಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬಿಂಗ್ ರಿಪಬ್ಲಿಕ್ ಡೇ ಸೆಲೆಬ್ರೇಷನ್ಸ್ ಇನ್ ಯುವರ್ ಸ್ಕೂಲ್ ಅಂತ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಅದನ್ನು ನೀವು ಆ ವಿಚಾರನ ಬರೀಬೇಕು. ಆ ಟಾಪಿಕ್ ಮೇಲೆ ನೀವು ಪರ್ಸನಲ್ ಲೆಟರ್ ಬರೆಯೋದಾದ್ರೆ ಬರೀಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮೊದಲೇನು ಬರೆದಿದ್ದೀರಾ, ಫ್ರಮ್ ಅಡ್ರೆಸ್ ಬರೀತೀರಾ, ಆನಂತರ ಡೇಟ್ ಬರೀತೀರಾ, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಏನು ಬರೀತೀರಾ, ಮೈ ಡಿಯರ್ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ ಅಥವಾ ಡಿಯರ್ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ ಅಂತ ಸಾಲ್ಯುಟೇಷನ್ ಬರೀತೀರಾ. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಬಾಡಿ ಆಫ್ ದ ಲೆಟರ್ ಬರೀತೀರಾ. ವೈಲ್ ರೈಟಿಂಗ್ ಬಾಡಿ ಆಫ್ ದ ಲೆಟರ್, ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಪ್ಯಾರಾಗ್ರಾಫ್ ಶುಡ್ ಬಿ ಚೇಂಜಸ್ ಆಫ್ ವಿಶಸ್. ಐ ಆಮ್ ಫೈನ್, ಐ ಹೋಪ್ ಯು ಆರ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಫೈನ್, write about your parents, like that. Okay, so after that you have to write the actual paragraph which is on the topic. So ಅದೆಲ್ಲ ಬಾಡಿ ಆಫ್ ಲೆಟರ್.
ಸರ್, ಒನ್ ಡೌಟ್ ಇದೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೆ ಕನ್ಫ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಲೆಫ್ಟ್ ಫಾರ್ಮೆಟಾ ಅಥವಾ ರೈಟ್ ಸೈಡಾ ಯಾವ ತರ ಅಂತ.
ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಇದು ಇಂಟರ್ನ್ಯಾಷನಲ್ ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡರ್ಡ್ ಅಕ್ಸೆಪ್ಟೆಡ್ ಲೆಫ್ಟ್ ಅಲೈನಿಂಗ್ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ರೈಟ್ಗೂ ಕೂಡ ಬರೀಬಹುದು, ಲೆಫ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲೂ ಬರೀಬಹುದು. ಬಟ್ ನಾರ್ಮಲಿ ಈಗೆಲ್ಲ ಲೆಫ್ಟ್ ಅಲೈನ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಫಾರ್ಮೆಟ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಲೆಫ್ಟ್ ಇಂದ ಶುರು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು,
ಲೆಫ್ಟ್ ಇಂದಾನೆ ಬರೀಬೇಕು.
ಆಫ್ಟರ್ ರೈಟಿಂಗ್ ದ ಬಾಡಿ ಆಫ್ ದ ಲೆಟರ್ ಏನು ಬರೀಬೇಕು, ಲೀವ್ ಟೇಕಿಂಗ್ ಬರೀಬೇಕು. ಯುವರ್ ಸಿನ್ಸಿಯರ್ಲಿ, ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ರೈಟ್ ಯುವರ್ ಸಿನ್ಸಿಯರ್ಲಿ ಅಂತ ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಬರೀಬಹುದು, ಆರ್ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ರೈಟ್ ಇಟ್ ಲೈಕ್ ಯುವರ್ ಲವಿಂಗ್ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ ಅಂತ ಕೂಡ ಬರೀಬಹುದು. ಆಫ್ಟರ್ ರೈಟಿಂಗ್ ದಿಸ್ ಇನ್ ಬರೆದ ಮೇಲೆ ಸಿಗ್ನೇಚರ್ ಹಾಕಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಏನು ಸಿಗ್ನೇಚರ್ ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರಲಿ, ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಏನು ಅಜ್ಯೂಮ್ ಲೆಟರ್ ಇಮ್ಯಾಜಿನರಿ ಅಡ್ರೆಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ರಲ್ಲ, ಆ ಇಮ್ಯಾಜಿನರಿ ಸಿಗ್ನೇಚರ್ನೇ ನೀವು ಮಾಡಿ,
ಇಮ್ಯಾಜಿನರಿ ನೇಮ್.
ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಆಫ್ಟರ್ ರೈಟಿಂಗ್ ದಿ ಸಿಗ್ನೇಚರ್ ಆದಮೇಲೆ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ರೈಟ್ ದಿ ಟು ಅಡ್ರೆಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಬರೀಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಟು ಅಡ್ರೆಸ್ ಶುಡ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಬಿ ಇಮ್ಯಾಜಿನರಿ ಅಡ್ರೆಸ್ಸೇ ಆಗಿರಬೇಕು. ಯು ಶುಡ್ ನಾಟ್ ಬಿ ದ ರಿಯಲ್ ಅಡ್ರೆಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಯು. ನಿಮ್ಮ ನಿಜವಾದಂತಹ ವಿಳಾಸವನ್ನು ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೀಬಾರ್ದು ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ನಿಮಗೆ ಒಟ್ಟಾರೆಯಾಗಿ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಪೇಪರ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಮಗೆ ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಫಾರ್ 5 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್. ಈಸಿಯಾಗಿ ನೀವು ಏನೇನು ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಚರ್ ಇರುತ್ತೋ, ಇಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲಿ ಫಾರ್ಮೆಟ್ ಇರುತ್ತೋ ಆ ಫಾರ್ಮೆಟ್ನ ಎಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೀಬೇಕು ಅಲ್ಲೇನು ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾಗಿ ಬರೆದ್ರೆ ಯು ವಿಲ್ ಗೆಟ್ ದ 2 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ವೆನ್ ಯು ರೈಟ್ ದಿ ಬಾಡಿ ಆಫ್ ದ ಲೆಟರ್ ಮತ್ತು ಇನ್ನೆಲ್ಲನೂ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದರೆ ಸೊ ಅನದರ್ 3 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್. ಓಕೆ, ಟೋಟಲಿ ಯು ವಿಲ್ ಗೆಟ್ 5 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್. ಸುಲಭವಾಗಿ ನಿಮಗೆ 5 ಅಂಕ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ನೀವು ಯಾವುದೇ ಕಾರಣಕ್ಕೂ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಪೇಪರ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಲೆಟರ್ ರೈಟಿಂಗನ್ನು ಬಿಡಬಾರ್ದು. ಒಂದು ಕಾಮನ್ ಇನ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಷನ್ ಏನಪ್ಪ ಅಂದರೆ, ವೈಲ್ ಯು ಆರ್ ರೈಟಿಂಗ್ ಲೆಟರ್ ರೈಟಿಂಗ್, ಯು ಶುಡ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ದ ಲೆಟರ್ ರೈಟಿಂಗ್ ಇನ್ ಎ ಫ್ರೆಶ್ ಪೇಜ್. ಒಂದು ಫ್ರೆಶ್ ಪೇಜಲ್ಲಿ ಶುರು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ದ ಲೆಟರ್ ಶುಡ್ ಬಿ ಎಂಡ್ ಇನ್ ಎ ಸೇಮ್ ಪೇಜ್. ಸಾಮಾನ್ಯಕ್ಕೆ ಎಂಡ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಆಗಲಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದರೆ ಅದು ಚಿಂತೆ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಬಟ್ ಇಟ್ compulsorily should start in a new page.
And also essay writing, sir.
Yes,
Essay
ma'am.
writing also should be written in the
Separate.
fresh page.
Yes.
Yes,
So
sir.
answer book will be having sufficient pages. That's why you need not to worry about the pages. You can use any much paper you want. Additional paper will also be supplied to you. Okay.
And also composition part is a scoreable item
Yes, fine. Okay. So
for the
next,
students.
So now from question number 1 to 16, so what are the grammar points and vocabulary to be covered under these questions? Andre ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗೋಣ ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ.
Tenses and correct form of the verb, prepositions, conjunctions, articles, etc.
Question tags.
Models, language functions,
Okay. Active and passive voice.
degrees of comparison,
Reported speech.
if clauses of condition,
Infinitives.
phrasal verbs,
Identifying parts of speech.
using words in sentences as noun and verb,
Punctuations.
auxiliaries,
Usage of structure like to, so that not.
collocations,
Syllabification.
give one word,
Homophones, prefixes and suffixes.
jumbled letters and words.
Opposites. So before going to conclude this class, dear children, here we have some list of grammar elements and vocabulary. So this is given in page number, vocabulary homophones is given in page number 10 and 11. Language function is given under page number 12 and 13 and 212.
Model auxiliary verbs given in page number 15, idioms and phrases in page number 32,
Letter writing page number 36, format is given.
subject and verb agreement page number 38.
And if clause, that is third condition, is given page number 60 and 61.
Syllabification at page number 79.
Finite and non-finite verbs is given in page number 101, 102 and 103.
Conjunctions at page number 134.
And profile writing is given in page number 153 and 154.
Verb forms in page number 155.
Collocation words are given in page number 167, 168 and 169.
Editing page number 171 and 172.
Reported speech is given in page number 174.
Sir, students have to refer to these pages, sir.
Okay.
Everything is given in the
Yes.
textbook itself.
Yes. So dear children, I hope you enjoyed the class. ಮಕ್ಕಳ ನಿಮ್ಮೆಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಶುಭವಾಗಲಿ. ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆ ಪತ್ರಿಕೆಯನ್ನು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಓದ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಸೊ ನಿಮಗೆ ಸಫಿಷಿಯೆಂಟ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, 3 ಗಂಟೆ ಅವಧಿ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ 15 minutes ಈಸ್ ಅಲಾಟೆಡ್ ಫಾರ್ ರೀಡಿಂಗ್ ದ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಪೇಪರ್. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಪೇಪರ್ ನೀವು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಓದ್ಕೊಂಡು ಪರೀಕ್ಷೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಬರೀರಿ, ನಿಮಗೆ ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಅಂಕಗಳು ಬರಲಿ ಅಂತ ಆಶಿಸ್ತೀನಿ.
All the best, dear students.
I wish you all good success.
Yes.
Thank you.
Thank you.